Hello, this is linear equation 6.4, perpendicular and parallel lines. Now, this is two very unique concepts. Parallel lines have the same slope as another line, but they'll have different y-intercepts. So usually we'll see them have an equation, let's say like y equals 2x plus 4. So a parallel line will have an equation that say like y equals 2x plus 3. Different y-intercepts, but they have the same slope. So that means they have the same rise over run. So in a axis, we see them kind of going like this, parallel to each other, like a pair of train tracks. So these are parallel lines. They'll have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. If they had the same y-intercept, well, that would be in the exact same line. So it wouldn't be parallel or anything, it would just be the exact same line. So they have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. Perpendicular lines are lines that basically intersect each other at a 90-degree angle. And they have slopes that are the negative reciprocals of each other. So for the same equation, y equals 2x plus 4, a perpendicular line, like so, will be y equal to the negative reciprocal of 2, which is negative 1 over 2x, and it will have some sort of y-intercept, say like plus 8. So those would be the same or different slopes. So this is 2 and this is negative 1 over 2. A reciprocal is just the flipping of a fraction. 2 over 1 is my fraction. I flip it, it's a reciprocal, and since it's a negative, I just put the negative on it. So perpendicular lines, slopes with negative reciprocals, and on a graph, it probably look, if I have one coming down like this, I'd have another one intersecting it, and this would be a 90-degree angle, like so. So let's look at an example. I want to find the equation of a line that's parallel to 3x plus 5y minus 15 equals 0. So this equation is in standard form. So first thing I probably want to do is I want to put into my y equals mx plus b form, because once I know the m, I can figure out that will be the slope of my parallel line, and I just have to change the y-intercept. So I'm going to rearrange it. So I have 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. Well, first thing I want to do, I want to bring the 15 over. So I'll have 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Then I'm going to bring the 3x over. So I'll have 5y equal to negative 3x plus 15. Divide both sides by 5. And I get y equal to negative 3 over 5x plus 15 over 5 is 3. So my slope, and I'm going to highlight this in blue right here, is negative 3 over 5. So a line that's parallel to it will have the exact same slope. So my parallel line in red will be y equal to negative 3 over 5x. Instead of being plus 3, I'll say it is plus 5. So that gives me another equation that has a parallel line, same slope, different y-intercept. Now here I want to find the equation of a line, I'm just going to erase this for clarity, that's perpendicular to my same equation. Now I figured out that the equation is y is equal to negative 3 over 5x plus 3. So something that's perpendicular, I just have to take the negative reciprocal of my slope. So the negative reciprocal will be y is equal to, I'm going to flip it around, so flipping the 5 and 3. And it's negative here, so the negative reciprocal will be positive. So that's going to be my negative reciprocal positive 5 over 3, and I'll just say plus 8. And that gives me a line that's perpendicular somehow to this equation, which is y equals negative 3 over 5x plus 3. So 2 things to remember. Parallel lines, they have the same slope. Perpendicular lines, they will have the negative reciprocal as the slope of the line is perpendicular to.